Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a over-the-top 1966 242 GTO Hardtop. Got the owner here, Dominic, and tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Dominic?
Good, Mike. How are you?
Good, man. What a car, man. This thing is done. Every nook and cranny is as nice as the next. So tell us about it.
Well, it's a 66 GTO with a 389 with the Holly Sniper fuel injection.
Makes a big difference.
CVF Serpentine belt system.
Okay.
Vintage air conditioning. With stock exhaust manifolds on the inside. We have, well, the motor's hooked up to a Tremec transmission, 5-speed, brand new.
Brand new.
On the inside we have Dakota digital gauges, power windows,
Wow.
air conditioning, tilt wheel. The front end has tubular control arms up and down. Borla stainless steel exhaust, the X pipe.
It's all Mandril bent.
Yep. 333, 12-bolt Posi rear.
Wow.
And then 4-wheel power disc brakes, slotted drill rotors, 17-inch wheels with Nitto tires. And the color's Palmetto green, very nice color.
Really nice. You
Brand
don't
new
see
glass.
plenty of reds and silvers,
Yeah,
but this color is like,
Got
sets this car off.
brand new glass. Bumpers chrome, screws, nuts.
T3
Floor
headlights.
pans are done.
Someone spent a lot of money on this car. This is a $150,000 restoration, this car. No corners cut.
Nothing. Body gaps like perfect.
Yep.
And power windows. I forgot to say power windows.
Look.
Also.
This car is gorgeous. Hands down, the nicest 66 GTO I've ever seen. Look at this trunk line. I've never seen one line up so nice. And the trunk shuts with one finger. Everything's new. The stainless, the chrome.
Oh yeah, everything.
Every,
Either redone or new.
Yep, every
Got the
wire.
receipts for it.
Look at the turn down on the exhaust. Stainless steel tank.
Yep. With the
Larger sway bar.
fuel pump inside.
Beautiful. Look at the polished exhaust or mufflers. I think these are US mags, these rims. All the felts are new. Everything's been polished to perfection.
Everything interior brand new console.
Beautiful.
Hidden antenna.
Still has like the plastic on the sill here. Beautiful. Power windows, air, steering,
Door
brakes.
panels, everything.
This brakes all the way around. The strikers, the nuts, the bolts, the rubbers. Beautiful. Look at the seatbelt clamp, or buckle rather. These are all brand new.
Yeah.
Still has the plastic on it.
Seat belts,
Even has the plastic on the steering wheel.
dashboard, everything.
New owner could peel all that off. I'd love that. Let me see the. Man, look at those gauges. Jeez.
Fuel change.
Yeah, you don't even have to touch the gas.
Pumping the gas, no nothing.
Man, these gauges are
It's not,
gorgeous.
the car's not too loud, just purrs. Brand new dash, everything's done.
Vintage
No
sound.
scratches, brand new glass on the car.
Gosh, look at that.
Windshields,
Beautiful.
all the vent windows are new. No scratches on the glass.
Even the rear view mirrors, perfect. You know, a lot of guys will do the restoration and just put the old rear view mirror back on it. Tremec 5-speed.
Yeah, Tremec 5. Yeah, Tremec 5.
Brand new. Console's brand new. These aren't cheap. These parts add up on these
I just put that in
Pontiacs.
this morning, actually.
Oh yeah? It looks that new. Looks like you just pulled it right out of the box. All the seat belts still have that factory plastic. Beautiful. Even the surrounds on the doors. You know, they'll skip corners and they'll skip the vent windows.
Oh, yeah,
and the surrounds and the rubbers.
And just the time
Look at the
and
felts.
effort to order all of this stuff.
It is magnificent.
The stocks, the screws.
Yep, it's all the right stuff.
Underneath is just as clean.
Even the vinyl is like a very thick.
Yeah, thick one.
No expense spared. Pretty.
Emblems.
Brand new car. Package tray, sail panels, headliner. New. Every armrest, every switch. New. Sounds good too.
Yeah.
Not too loud.
Boy, no, it's just got a little.
Nice rumble.
Oh, yeah.
Not waking up the neighbors, not pissing your wife off. It's a gentleman's car, you know?
Good vintage air.
Yep.
Without the aftermarket switches on, actually looks soft.
Yep.
Look at the dashboard. Look at it out.
Yeah, I noticed that. Vintage air you can use the factory switches. Beautiful. Let's check out under the hood. Man, even the way the door's shut. Right? Look at that.
No slamming,
No rattling. We got 389.
Yep.
Power steering. Power brakes.
CVF Serpentine belt system.
No squeaky belts.
Aluminum radiator, power sniper fuel injection. Tubular control on the
Nice big radiator.
power steering pump. Last summer.
Everything is new. Steering box is new. Upper and lower tubular control arms. I like that you got regular manifolds too. I hate fucking headers.
To keep it stock, you know.
Electronic fuel injection, electronic distributor, sniper setup. You see how new it is by the gasket on the valve cover. Brand new. Original style air cleaner. Real clean too. Like the way they did it. Tremec, brand new. Gorgeous, jeez. You know, this is like a car you take to your builder and you say, build me it, I want it gorgeous. Here's an open checkbook.
Exactly.
Such a pretty car. All underneath too is beautiful. Brand new. And with the 5-speed, you keep up with traffic. You know.
It's great on the highway. Got the overdrive.
Yeah. Like my Cuda, I could do 75 and keep up with traffic and not worry about it with
That's
the
a new thing now.
traffic.
It's 4 speeds, going obsolete.
Yep. My GTO, I had a 4-speed in. I can only do comfortably like 60.
Yeah, and then it gets
Without
annoying
it
after a while.
winding out, and everyone's passing me, you know.
Now you want to get on the highway, you got the 5th gear, and that's it.
Yep. So nice. So pretty. Well, they're looking for a new GTO. Here it is. The all the modern conveniences.
See the detail on the lights, the way they painted the lights. You see it in between like the louvers?
Yeah. Yeah, really nice. Just immaculate. And look at the body lines. Beautiful. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. You can hit me up at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and detail on our main website, weebyautos.com. I have all the undercarriage pictures and everything there. And thanks a lot for joining us. And don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks again, Dominic. Beautiful car.
Thank you, thank you.